For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Samsung S24 Ultra, and anything One UI 6 is what I'm using right now. I'm pretty sure that you could use this on previous versions, S23, S22. It's primarily, I'm guessing, a lot of this is going to be Android. The artificial intelligence is going to be primarily for the new Samsung, but this is not necessarily just an AI function. And this is something that I even had a problem with trying to figure out how to get it to work. And it's hands-free use, using your voice to type a text. And it comes in really handy when you're driving, when you're trying to do something and you want to talk to text or talk to write something. And it doesn't just come on easily automatically. So let's dig right into this. So let's go like I'm going to do a text to 555-1212, obviously not a number. But we're going to go like we're going to text, and as you can see, there's no voice button. There's a keyboard in the bottom left corner right here, and there's a hide everything button, and that's actually an option as well. But in order to get this turned on, here's what you need to do. So we need to go into the settings, keyboard settings, and you want to scroll down to voice input. And I have two types. I like to use the Samsung. Some people prefer Google Voice because they think it's more powerful. I'm using a Samsung product. I like to have Samsung as much as I can. It's like the saying, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. So a lot of my things are Samsung because it's made for the phone and it works with the phone. So anyway, off topic there, the Samsung Voice, we'll check that, and I speak and read German fluently, so I have one of my language packs is German. Hide offensive words is normally turned on by text, so if you ever get a text from someone that's got F and a bunch of stars, you know what happened. They have that on, so that's another kind of neat little tidbit of information there for people that if you want to not have your curse words, offensive words written out and blocked out to other people, that's how you do it there. Anyway, so let's go back and back and back, and let's see, we're going to have to go to the text. Okay, so anyway, we're back into the text. So now when I go to text someone, I have this button at the bottom. And as I'm recording this, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to record this and do it at the same time. So I may have to pause it, start it, but we're going to try it. So if I want to text somebody, we hit that. And now, there we go. And it's automatically typing as I talk. And it's doing a good job of it as well. Yep, there it missed. Well, I'm going to stop this, or it's just going to keep going. There's Larry. I don't know where that came from, but it's doing a good job of it as well. They had a word that wasn't that, and if you noticed as I was typing, it corrected it. So it's a pretty good. Samsung has a really good, as you talk, it keeps up really quickly, which is also obviously important because you don't want it to say a bunch of things that you didn't want it to say. So that's really all there is to it. You want to go into the settings, turn it on, and then in the bottom left corner, you'll see the microphone, and tap the microphone, it'll start to talk. So that's my video on how to use text to talk. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to the channel. leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos, and until next time, I'm out.